Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for a Capfin loan. First, ensure you meet the eligibility requirements. You need to be at least 18 years old and possess a valid South African identification document. You'll also need to provide proof of residence and your most recent 3 payslips or bank statements. This helps Capfin assess your financial standing and determine the best loan option for you. Before you begin your application, it's crucial to have all your documents ready. This includes your valid South African ID, your 3 most recent payslips, or bank statements if you're self-employed. Also, remember to bring proof of residence, such as a recent utility bill. Having these prepared will make the application process much smoother and quicker for you. Capfin offers several convenient ways to apply for a loan. You can easily apply online through their official website from the comfort of your home. Alternatively, visit any Capfin branch where a friendly consultant will assist you personally. For a quick application, you can also use the Capfin banking app on your smartphone. Choose the method that best suits your needs. Once you've submitted your application, Capfin will assess it efficiently. You'll typically receive a decision on your loan application quite quickly. If approved, the funds will be paid directly into your Capfin account, often within minutes. Remember, all repayment terms and conditions will be clearly communicated to ensure you understand your commitment. It's a straightforward process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.